Hello guy, welcome back to J.S.K. AIMOL. Today I am going to show you about the Machane Yehuda Market in Jerusalem by walking video. This Machane Yehuda Market represents the heart of Jerusalem, nowadays and in the foreseeable future. In a unique way, Mahane Yehuda integrates the old and the new. A bustling marketplace and a neighborhood, it intertwines food, drinks, shopping, bars and restaurants. Despite being a touristic destination, the market has maintained its most important characteristic: it remains authentic, as can be sensed by all the flavors and aromas, seen in its colorfulness and heard in the traders' interaction with the crowds. It is not for no good reason that the Machane Yehuda Market is widely recognized as a symbol of Jerusalem. After all, Jerusalemites see it as a place that represents and reflects their unique identity in the broader Israeli social context. The market is nicknamed Machane Yehuda, similarly to the name of one of the finest Israeli restaurants that is located in the market. But this name has something inexpressible to language. It is beyond words, because it reminds Jerusalemites of themselves, their childhoods, resonating the Jerusalem they so deeply love. Even though Jerusalem today has many shopping and entertainment centers, some are located within several hotels in Jerusalem, there remains something unique about the Machane Yehuda Market that continues to attract people, even those without a shopping list. Perhaps the Machane Yehuda Market simply enables us to be who we are, lovers of life and the city of Jerusalem. We have established this site, first and foremost, to pay our respects to this place, and to the traders, the people who live and work in the market, those who have transformed Machane Yehuda into the brand it has come to be. The Machane Yehuda Market is a symbol, and we believe that this symbol deserves an honest and loyal representation online. The second reason for setting up this website is to provide both Israeli and international visitors all the necessary information about this unique site, accurately demonstrating just how inspiring and welcoming it can be. We invite you to surf the website, losing yourself to all the market's colors, scents and sounds. We hope this experience will inspire you to visit the market and love it, at least as much as we do. We invite you to take a look at our variety of Israeli food tours. Let's watch together. In the Machane Yehuda Market or shuk is the largest market in Jerusalem, with over 250 vendors selling everything from fruit and vegetables to specialty foods, and clothing to Judaica. The market is the main traditional marketplace of Jerusalem and is an experience that must be part of any visit to Jerusalem, filled with fascinating sounds, sights, and smells. The Machane Yehuda Market is set between Aggripas and Jaffa Streets, with two main aisles and then many further small walkways once inside. It is a maze and myriad of sights, sounds, and smells, an intense sensory experience and memorable life experience. Just a 10-minute walk from the center of Jerusalem, the market is a fascinating place to stroll, whether you are interested just in observing the magnificent sculpted displays of spices, mouthwatering array of foods, and stunning energy of the place, or if you want to get involved in real market buying, negotiating and tasting. The market is open Sunday to Friday and closed on Shabbat, Saturday, and is particularly busy on Thursdays and Friday mornings with shoppers preparing for the Sabbath. Now watch and enjoy this market. If this video helped you, then please do subscribe to support me for next video. Thank you.